Det blev väldigt allvarligt.
Why do you think we asked you to take part in this?
Because I stood at the Schibsted All Hands and talked about being autistic. So that's why I think I'm here, to show that, well, people are different and we have different things with us that maybe aren't always visible.
We come from a really rough neighborhood in Stockholm. When I was recruited to Schibsted or Svenska Dagbladet, I think they don't have people with the same background.
I think it has to do with the fact that I'm blind. I'm probably the only totally blind employee in Schibsted.
Diversity matters because it's something that maybe not everybody thinks about, but it really applies to everyone.
It's the obvious, though. I have parents from Africa, so I don't look like everybody else that I work with. I'm in a small part of software engineering or engineering in general. That's cybersecurity. That's also a minority. So in a way, it's a double minority.
So I'm both French and I'm a woman working in tech. I think it's very important to actually not have only diverse people talking about diversity.
It's more fun. Your own perception is challenged. And I cannot think about one episode where things got worse because of that we were different.
If you're having another background than the majority, you shouldn't be ashamed of that. Look at that as a superpower.